Bluey dashed into the yard fast. Her paws hit the grass quick. The sky was clear bright, and her heart raced with excitement strong. Could today bring something unforgettable? She stopped right in front of the old swing tall, the rope stretched from the tree thick, the wooden seat waiting still, like a throne calling for adventure. Could this be the start of magic? Bluey climbed onto the seat steady, her little legs dangled free. Bingo rushed behind with a grin wide, pushing gently at first playful. Could the swing lift higher soon? The rope stretched and released sharp. The swing carried Bluey upward strong. The wind rushed across her face cool, her ears flapping like wings real. Could she soar like a bird? Up and back she flew thrilling, higher with each push fast. The ground blurred beneath far, trees swayed around in rhythm loud. Could she touch the sky today? Bandit shouted from the porch cheerful, "Go Bluey, go brave!" While Chilli clapped smiling proud, Muffin and Socks jumped excited near. Could family joy feel bigger? Bluey leaned back daring bold, the swing tilted high extreme. Her heart pounded fast inside, laughter burst from her mouth wild. Could freedom feel this powerful? Suddenly the ropes creaked sharp, the swing shook side to side quick. Bluey gasped holding tight firm, Bingo's eyes widened scared. Could this ride turn dangerous? But Bingo pushed again strong, her paws steady with courage. The swing balanced once more safe, and Bluey laughed even louder fearless. Could teamwork save the day again? Rusty ran toward the tree fast, Indy waved flags cheering high. They formed a line to push together bold, each friend adding power strong. Could fun grow unstoppable? The swing soared higher than ever, wind howled past their ears wild. Bluey closed her eyes smiling free, the world spinning below magical. Could this moment last forever? As the sun dipped golden low, the sky painted orange bright, laughter echoed across the yard sweet, memories carved into their hearts deep. Could love shine this endless? Bluey jumped from the swing brave, landing with a proud stance tall. Her family and friends clapped loud, and her smile stretched wide glowing. Could happiness be this simple? And hey, if you enjoyed flying with Bluey today, join the adventure again. Like, subscribe, and keep the swings soaring high together.